Hi everyone, today we will learn how to do single crochet as part of crochet series. For single crochet we need basic or foundational stitch like chain stitch or magic ring. As we already know, making a chain stitch, we will learn single crochet using chain stitch. Initially, let's start by making 10 chain stitches. These are my 10 chain stitches. Now for making a single crochet, we need to insert the hook into the second chain from the hook as shown, which means this is first chain, and this will be second one, so insert the hook into this chain, pull the yarn out. You will be having 2 loops on the hook. Now pull the yarn out from both the loops. This creates a single crochet. Now again, insert the hook in the next chain stitch, pull the yarn out if chain. Two loops on hook, pull the yarn from both the loops. Single crochet helps us to increase the number of rows. I continue working single crochet in all chain stitch. The single crochet work will be considered as second row, whereas first row will the chain stitches we have made. This completes our second row. To continue for next row, turn over the work and insert hook to loops that look as a braid. This is because the previous row is a single crocheted work. We also insert only into front or back loop according to the requirements. This completes 3 rows of work using single crochet.